What's going on, boaters? We just received a fresh new trade, a 2003 Chaparral 263. This boat just has over 1,200 hours on it. It's still in great condition. Let's check out a few features. Starting off in the bow, you have a nice entry into the boat along with your swim ladder up front. You also have a side door as well. Your cushion comes out so you don't have to worry about stepping on those seats. You have your nice folding door, so when you're coming across the lake at night, you can stay nice and warm in the back. You have your co-captain and captain's chair. You have a nice big ski locker. You also get a head in this boat, so you can put a porta potty down there as well. And a nice sink. Coming to the back, you have your nice wraparound seating and a spot to put your table as well. Coming to the back, you also have your nice entry in and out from the back. You just remove the cushions, and then you have a nice walkway. If you want to see more on this boat, come check it out at MarineMax Nisswa or visit it on our website at MarineMax.com.